What's up, guys? My name is Zero, and I wanted to do a little Cybertruck drive. Kind of talk about the Cybertruck a little bit, give you guys a little overview of kind of what it looks like to be in the driver's seat of the Cybertruck. So, first thing I want to talk about is this thing right here, the rear view mirror. It's pretty useless when you have your tonneau cover closed, because then you can't see out the back window. So Tesla thought of that. You have a camera, so your rear camera is up at all times, which is pretty smart. And I still check this every so often, just for 25 years of driving, but it actually takes a really, really easy to get used to this, having the mirror right here, the camera feed. Something that I like about Tesla, because I've been a Tesla person for years now, is the tech and the visualizations right here. Seeing everything on the road is amazing. Having your navigation right here, it's just really easy and very intuitive. When you look at the steering wheel, you can see some buttons on here. So there's no gear stalks or anything. You would swipe on here, to go into drive, into reverse, and park. And then your buttons right here are your turn signals. You have your high beams. You have camera button right here if you wanted to turn the camera off or on. Your windshield wipers, and then voice commands. This scroll wheel, you can go into, I have it right now at cruise control because self-driving is not available yet for the Cybertruck. But yeah, that's how this would work. And then you could scroll up and down if you want to raise or lower your speed. And this right here is going to be for your music. So you push it in to play or pause, and then you can go left or right to go to the next song or go back to a previous song. But that's how this all works. And it does take a little getting used to. Now you can see this right here. So if I tap that, it would go into park, which I just did. And if I were to go back, it would go reverse. If I go up, I go into drive. And that's how that works. You can zoom out here a little bit, and you can see all the cars that that the cameras can see. It's awesome, and it's wild. I love it. I love it. So the actual drive is really, really, really comfortable. The air ride suspension is the best of all the air ride suspensions that Tesla has to offer. I currently own a Model S Plaid, and while that air suspension is fantastic, this Cybertruck is just a level above. You feel like you're just floating on a cloud all the way through. So it's pretty awesome. Something that's different with the Cybertruck that's, what other cars don't have is this has something called steer-by-wire. So there's no mechanical shaft attached to the steering wheel to the wheels. It's all software based. So what can happen, at least what Tesla did with the software, is when you're driving in a slower speed, this reacts more. So it does take a little bit of getting used to. I've been driving this vehicle for just about 24 hours now, and I'm already used to it. But at first it was a little goofy. But yeah, it's really, really, really intuitive. Once the speeds pick up, it acts like a normal steering wheel, so you can't even tell the difference. This truck also has four-wheel steering, so during your turns and stuff, yeah, your back wheels will also turn, which gives this such an amazing turning radius. It's just as good as a Model S. So it's amazing. If we were to do a U-turn on a very short little median, I could definitely do within 2 lanes, which is amazing. One of the things that at least the new Cybertruck owners right now is happening is everybody wants to take pictures. You are almost like a local celebrity. So if you like that, that's awesome. If you hate that, it is just comes with the vehicle for right now. So you have people, trying to take pictures, asking you questions at red lights. For me, I like talking about Tesla, so I'm cool with it. My wife, not so much. She's a little weirded out, especially when men approach, because she's a female, so she doesn't want or need the extra attention. But for me, it's fine. And I know the attention will die down eventually. Give it maybe another 6 months or a year when there's, maybe 100,000 or 200,000 on the road, and it's not uncommon to see one on your daily drive. But yeah, this is a pretty good drive. I've driven trucks in the past, and none of the trucks drive like this does, in a good way. This is just so much more smooth, so much more attached to the ground, if that makes sense. And yeah, being able to sit up a little higher is awesome, compared to like my Model S or even my wife's old Model 3. This even still has a higher sitting position than an X or a Y, so you're definitely up higher, and it just kind of makes you feel like you're in command a little bit. But yeah, this is smooth. I know this has kind of been a little bit of a boring drive. There's not really much going on. But it's kind of also pretty awesome that it is a boring drive. You don't need to be going through a bunch of riffraff all the time. Anyway, that's going to wrap up this video. Again, my name is Zero. I'm going to be talking about Tesla, all of its vehicles, going through the lineup, Tesla news. So definitely like the video and subscribe. I'll be doing a lot of cool Tesla videos here coming up in the very near future. I'll be doing it with the Cybertruck, with the Model S Plaid, with the Model Y, Model X, the new refreshed Model 3. So if you want to hear some great news, you want to hear some cool features and just get my opinions on things, I will also be doing a bunch of full self-driving videos as well. So I'll be doing that and kind of keep you guys up to date with that, because full self-driving is absolutely amazing. Also, leave a comment down below if there's anything that you can think of that you would like for me to talk about, or if you just want to have a conversation about anything, definitely leave a comment down below. I will reply to as many comments. I'll try to hit all of them, but as the channel grows, it'll be a little tough, talking to 100,000 people. But, I really, really hope that you guys leave a comment, like, subscribe, and you guys have a great rest of your day. Again, my name is Zero, and I'm out. Peace.